memorize here. Our goal is actually to get you thinking about what it means for an organism to be alive and characteristics of life that can be explored when trying to study living things. Okay, so let's get started with some characteristics. Organization. We can look at the cell theory here and see that, according to this theory, living organisms are made of cells. Some organisms are unicellular, so they can be made up of just one cell. But more complex organisms, like this pony here, are multicellular and therefore can be made up of many cells, which can be arranged into tissues. The tissues can make up organs. The organs can be part of an organ system. These are biological levels of organization. As for our bathtub-grown pony, no cells. Homeostasis. Maintaining a regulated balance is so important for many biological processes to even happen. For example, enzymes typically need a certain pH range to even work correctly. Maintaining homeostasis can mean maintaining a certain temperature and a certain percentage of water concentration. Ponies and your human body have all kinds of feedback systems in place to maintain homeostasis. But even a single-celled organism, like an amoeba, relies on its cell membrane to maintain homeostasis internally. Living organisms have regulation of homeostasis, which is not going on here in bathtub-grown pony. Metabolism. If you're alive, you need to have some way to capture energy and use energy for processes, including some processes that keep homeostasis, like mentioned previously. Chemical reactions happening in living organisms are part of metabolism. So just to give some examples of reactions that are part of metabolism in living organisms, plants are autotrophs that can capture light energy to make glucose in a process known as photosynthesis. Animals are heterotrophs that typically need to eat something and then digest it in order to obtain glucose. Both of these example organisms break down glucose in cellular respiration to make ATP energy. Metabolism is happening in this pony.